Hey folks, today we're tackling your FAQs on our medium viscosity super glue. Let's dive in. First up, check out this 2-aughts bottle. Sleek packaging, right? Inside you get extra anti-clog caps, precision micro tips, bonus 15% more glue. Yep, free upgrade. Instruction manual. See this nozzle? It's our clog-proof cap with a built-in steel pin. The glue flows like honey, clear and thick, perfect for control. Real testing time. Scenario 1, plastic bonding. Testing on PE plastic caps. Apply glue, wait 30 seconds. Pull apart. Result, zero bond. PE repels CA glue. Now PETG plastic. Same steps, wait 30 seconds. Result, solid bond. PETG loves this glue. Scenario 2, strength test. 2 wooden blocks plus glue, cure for 20 seconds. Result, wood snapped outside the glue joint. Our bond held firm. Key takeaway, skip PPP plastics. This glue won't bond them. But for PTG, wood, metal, rock solid every time. Trust this glue for your tough jobs. It's the sidekick you need in your toolbox. Questions? Drop them below. See you next time.